The screen shows 85 grams in unbalance. This is when you need to use the opt function. Hello, welcome friends. Recently, we have received many inquiries about how to use the opt unbalanced function. Today, we will demonstrate the operation using this U589 balancer. First, let's install the tire. After installing the tire, we perform the regular dynamic balance measurement. Use this ruler to obtain tire data. Lower the protective cover for dynamic balance measurement. Measurement completed. You can see that the screen shows 85 grams in unbalance, far exceeding the range for attaching balance weights. This is when you need to use the opt function. Operate here. Currently, the screen is on the adhesive interface. We switch to the unbalanced optimization function. Press OK to enter. Here you can see the screen prompts opt static unbalance optimization. Install the tire that needs optimization. Press OK to start. Rotate. The display shows manually rotate the tire so that the tire valve is at 12 o'clock position. Press OK to confirm. We rotate the tire so that the valve hole is perpendicular to the tire balancer axis at the 12 o'clock position. Next, press OK. Following step 3, remove the wheel. Before disassembly, make a mark. The marked point corresponds to the valve hole. Next, we remove the tire. Next, we will use the upper and lower tire pressing disc of this fully automatic tire changer to grip the tire, allowing the tire to rotate 180 degrees. First, perform tire pressing to separate the tire from the hub. Now, use the upper and lower tire pressing disc to grip the tire and rotate it 180 degrees. Rotate it to the marked position opposite the valve stem. Next, reinflate the tire. Reinstall the adjusted tire on the wheel balancer. Once the tire is installed, if there's a protective cover, put it back on as required. Step 3, after installing the tire, press OK. Step 4, start dynamic balancing. The screen displays opt static unbalance optimization. After optimization is complete, press OK to exit. We can see on the interface that the inner unbalance weight has been optimized to 30 grams. Next, apply a 30-gram balance weight. Use the automatic unbalance point finding function for sticking. You can see that we found the unbalance point for the inner 30 grams following the laser indicator. Attach the balance weight to the indicated position. Next, we look for the outer 20-gram unbalance point. Use the automatic unbalance point finding function to find the unbalance point. Following the laser indicator, attach the 20-gram balance weight. Next, perform a balance retest. From the above process, we can see the max unbalance weight is 85 grams. Through the opt function, it was optimized to 30 grams, then a 30 grams weight was applied. Now, it's zeroed. This concludes the operation of the opt unbalanced optimization function. If you are interested in this product and want to learn more, please leave us comments below.